recently completed this 1973 International Scout, featuring PPG Brittany blue paint, refinished chrome trim, JW speaker LED headlights, and a dark gray hardtop. The chassis features dual exhaust, a Curry 9-inch rear axle, 315/75/16 VF Goodrich tires, 6-inch suspension lift, and Bilstein shocks. Under the hood, you'll notice a 430 horsepower LS3 backed by a 4L70E transmission, power steering, Concept 1 pulley system, and a Raptor-lined engine bay. When you step inside this beautiful Scout 2, the one-off custom dash catches your attention, housing Dakota digital gauges, a custom powder-coated 4-point roll cage, custom-wrapped vinyl seats, shoulder belts, and a 10-inch subwoofer for all those cool tunes. This beautiful Scout 2 will be sure to turn heads wherever you may be.